this is my combined portfolios that I manage for my family. March 2021, we hit $1,527,795, $1.5 million. So the reason why I'm showing you this is because I want you to be able to dream big, to see that this is possible. I literally started with $500 after getting fired. We're going to get into that, right? But then I want to show you something else, because so the power of compounding, right? Because once you get to this level, like the next million and the next million gets so much easier to make, because now you're compounding a much higher amount of money. So how many guys want to see what my portfolio looks like literally 1 month later? April, like I put this presentation together the other day, and I was going through. How many guys want to see that? Raise your hands. All right, in a month, now my portfolio has risen to 2 million, even though right now Bitcoin is dropping. So probably actually 2 weeks ago, this was higher. But in a month, this is how much this has grown. Isn't that amazing? $500,000 in 1 month. Passive income. Passive income. How many guys want this? How many guys want this?